Olivier Potato Salad. Nutrition information. Serving size 100 grams. Calories 165. Fat 3 grams. Carbs 9 grams. Fiber 2 grams. Sugars 2 grams. Protein 7 grams. Ingredients: 2 large potatoes, peeled and sliced lengthwise. 3 carrots, peeled and sliced lengthwise. 1 can sweet peas, drained. 3 dill pickles, chopped, or more to taste. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 bologna slices, chopped, optional. 2 hard-boiled eggs, chopped. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons sour cream. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Ground black pepper to taste. Preparation: place potatoes and carrots into a large pot and cover with salted water. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low and simmer until tender, about 15 minutes. Drain and rinse with cold water until cold. Dice potatoes and carrots. Combine potatoes, carrots, sweet peas, pickles, onion, bologna, and eggs together in a large bowl. Stir mayonnaise, sour cream, salt, and black pepper gently into potato mixture until well combined. Refrigerate until cold, at least 30 minutes. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask for your favorite recipes. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming. Enjoy!